LSAW, ERW, and EFW represent three welding methods, each developed to meet specific industrial needs. However, in modern pipeline projects, LSAW and ERW are the primary choices. SAW pipes, especially LSAW, use submerged arc welding with high heat input to form wide and deep welds, making them particularly suitable for large diameter pipelines, offshore projects, and long-distance transmission. ERW pipes form narrow and precise welds through electrical resistance heating. They offer accurate dimensions, high consistency, and efficient production, making them ideal for medium-diameter pipelines and large volume projects. EFW pipes are occasionally used for specialized industrial purposes. Its application in large-scale pipeline projects is quite limited. For projects that demand reliability, consistency, and efficient production, LSAW and ERW pipes remain the most practical and trusted choices.